Well, hello. Welcome back. Just getting the post ready for my European Heritage Open Day. Yesterday I was here doing all the metalwork, getting all the metalwork repainted black, getting all this done, getting that done. I completely redid the hatch, which I'll show you now. And the reason for the marquee is because it started raining just after I finished doing the hatch, and I didn't get a chance to do this. I was supposed to paint all the post as well, which I'm going to do now. But there's the hatch all completely repainted inside and out. So I'll open it up in a wee minute and I'll let you see the inside. So I actually left it last night with the marquee up, and back this morning. This is Sunday morning, so I'm back to get all this painted. So I had to get a new tin of paint. So I had to get a brand new tin of masonry paint, and this green is called Tuscan Hills. It's a Valspar paint from B&Q, and to be honest with you, that's probably as close to the original colour as you'll get. So I'm going to do this, going to do the pad all the way around as well, paint all that as well. I redid the green around the base of the shed. So I'll probably take this marquee down actually, so the sun's directly on it as I'm painting. But yeah, right, I'll get this marquee down. Okay, I just wanted to show you the hatch. So I hoovered it all out and I painted it. So it's really nice and clean. There isn't 6 million spiders in it. There's the underneath of the hatch too, all done. So yeah, nice and clean. Right, we'll get this other paint cracked open and we'll get painting. But that's a really good job. I'm really happy with that. I've done it before. This isn't the first time I've done it. I have done it before. But yeah, that looks well. It's dried nicely, and I'm glad I put that marquee up, because if this had been full of water all night, it would not have been pretty. So, right, okay. I'll get a couple of brush strokes on and then I'll be back. Okay, that's the first coat on that side. You can probably see the colour difference. It is the same colour, and that's just what it looks like when it's wet. And obviously the sun darkens it as well. So when that dries, it'll be more like this colour here. I did that yesterday. I spilled a little bit of black paint, so I ran out of paint. I got this much done and I ran out of paint. So when that dries, it'll be the same colour as this. I am going to repaint this again, but when that dries, it'll be the same colour as that. But yeah, going on well. It's very, very easy paint to use. It's it fills gaps. It's flexible. Flexible. Sound like Popeye. It's flexible paint as well. So if you know any water bubbles underneath, the water blister comes out, and then as the water dissipates, the bubble goes back in again. So it's really good paint for this purpose. But yeah, shouldn't take me long. I mean, that's the main bit. So I always work on the dark side first, to give it a good chance to dry, because the light side there over where the sun's shining, it dries almost instantaneously. So I'm going to work my way around that way and finish on this side, and then do the vent, and then I'll finish the base of the where the mast goes, aerial mast. So yeah, getting on rightly, and I'd say it'll take me an hour and a half maybe, and I'll be all done. So yeah, back soon as I progress. Right, that's the entire post painted. I just finished doing the steps there now, so they're still wet. So I'm just about to do the pad now. But yeah, looks not that it was bad. It wasn't flaking or just a bit dirty, the paint. So that's it all cleaned up. Looks really good. So all I have to do is the pad, the air vent, and just the surround round where the antenna mast is, and that's me done. So I'll start doing this pad, and once I get to about here, I'll come back again. That's the first coat on anyway. Well, when I say first coat, it doesn't really need a second coat, because I'm just covering up what was already there, but it's going on really, really easily. And yeah, you can see how yellow it looks, mustardy colour, and then it goes the green, the darker green as it dries. So it can be quite shocking when you put it on the first time. You go, oh, this is a wee bit too yellow for me, but as it dries, the sun has literally just come out, nice blue sky, and it's drying really, really well. In fact, most of the post is already dry, so you can see this. So this is only about 10 minutes after the last time I made the little clip, and you can see this is already nearly dry, so you can see the difference. The dirt, that's just dirt more than anything else. It's just grimed up the paint, but it will look like this in about half an hour. But yep, coming along nicely, and once I get right round to this side here, I'll come back again, home straight. So as you can see, I've just done a line. That's the last bit. You can see the colour difference. It's pretty stark. So that, and just the base of that to do. And we're finished. And around here is already starting to dry. I filled all the cracks in that were here. Yeah, looks really, really good. With how this turned out. Good, nice and windy today, and it's also nice and sunny, so it's going to dry ridiculously quickly. But looks fantastic. Really, really happy. Okay, we'll get this done. Show you finished what it looks like, and then I'll just crack on and get all of these done, and then I'll come back once I've done that. So back soon. Right, there we go. That's done. This is done. Vents all done. Obviously done yesterday. Oh, I didn't do the top. Did all the sides. I'm going to replace that. All done. And then, so once it's all finished, it looks really good. It tidies up rightly. So it's still reasonably warm, and it's a good breeze as well. So as you can probably hear on the microphone, but it's drying that paint really, really quickly. So just a little bit of a thick spot there where I did it, but that'll dry in no time. But yeah, looking absolutely fantastic. Really happy with that. So I should have brought the lawnmower with me today, but I didn't. I didn't bring the van. So the grass could have done with a little bit of a trim, but I'll do that during the week. I think we've got rain tomorrow and Tuesday, so probably Wednesday or Thursday or whenever the next dry day is, I'll come over and give the grass a quick trim. And there's only about, 3 weeks now until my open day, so keep everything tip top. But listen folks, as always, thank you very, very much for watching, and I'll see you all again next time. Bye bye.